Jupiter, the gas giant, holds many unexpected truths that set it apart from the other planets in our solar system. Jupiter almost became a star. If it had gained more mass during its formation, its core could have triggered nuclear fusion, turning it into a second sun for our solar system. Like the Sun, Jupiter is composed primarily of hydrogen and helium, with no solid surface, making it more like a failed star than a planet. Jupiter's radiation belts are so powerful that they would fry spacecraft electronics within minutes if not properly shielded. Jupiter's magnetic field is about 20,000 times stronger than Earth's, extending far beyond the planet and creating enormous magnetospheres that protect some of its moons. The Great Red Spot, a storm larger than Earth that's been raging for over 300 years, has been shrinking steadily for decades, and scientists still don't know exactly why. Jupiter's atmosphere has layers of clouds made of ammonia, ammonium hydrosulfide, and water, stacked at different levels with unique chemical interactions and weather patterns. Deep within Jupiter's interior, the pressure is so extreme that hydrogen is compressed into a metallic state, turning it into an electrical conductor. Jupiter has the fastest rotation of any planet in the solar system, completing one day in just under 10 hours, which leads to intense winds and massive storms. Jupiter's auroras are far more powerful than Earth's, caused by the planet's strong magnetic field and interaction with charged particles from its moons and the solar wind. With at least 95 moons, Jupiter is a mini solar system of its own. 4 of its largest, the Galilean moons, are diverse and fascinating worlds in their own right. Ganymede, one of Jupiter's moons, is the only moon in the solar system known to have its own magnetic field. Though Saturn is famous for its rings, Jupiter also has faint rings made primarily of dust particles kicked up by impacts on its moons. Jupiter radiates more heat into space than it receives from the Sun, likely due to residual heat left over from its formation. In addition to the Great Red Spot, Jupiter's atmosphere is filled with numerous other cyclonic storms, both large and small, forming and dissipating regularly. The atmosphere of Jupiter is highly dynamic, with violent storms, high-speed winds, and swirling clouds creating constant activity. The core of Jupiter is still somewhat of a mystery. It may have a solid or semi-solid core, surrounded by metallic hydrogen and an outer envelope of molecular hydrogen. Jupiter experiences lightning strikes that are far stronger than those on Earth, often occurring deep within its turbulent atmosphere.